Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you 10 hidden features you didn't know about your Samsung S25 Ultra in terms of photo and video. So if you want to learn these 10 features which will make your photo and video experience much better on your Samsung S25 Ultra, then keep watching. So the very first feature which I want to show you is where you can play your audio while you record a video on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So if you're in your camera app and you're recording a video, you can go ahead and play Spotify or maybe Google Music in the background and record the music and also record your video. So to do this, you want to go ahead and open up the camera app. Make sure you're in video mode, then tap on the 4 dots. Here, tap on settings. Now you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see advanced video options. From here, you want to go ahead and find audio playback. So you want to allow the audio playback. So you want to allow music and other audios to play while you record. Playback will be paused when using 360 audio recording or a Bluetooth mic. So go ahead and turn this feature on. Now go back, press home, go ahead and open up Spotify, go ahead and play a music, and then go ahead and record your video. So that is how to play your audio while you record a video on your Samsung S25 Ultra. Now the second feature which I want to show you is where you can create slow motion videos from your normal video. So if you have recorded a video like this on your Samsung S25 Ultra, and you want to create a slow motion video out of it, then let me show you how to do this. So first you want to go ahead and play this video. Now go ahead and choose the point where you want to create the slow motion. So let's just say, for example, this point here. So to create the slow motion effect, go ahead and long press on this. This will now create the slow motion. Keep holding it until you want the slow motion effect. And once you're happy, go ahead and leave it. Now here at the top, you have created your slow motion effect. So this will save the slow-mo clip and we'll create a new clip for you. This, as you can see, you've created a slow-mo clip on your Samsung S25 Ultra by simply tapping on the video. Now feature number 3 is where you can basically zoom in and zoom out smoothly on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So as you know, your Samsung S25 Ultra has 4 or 5 different lenses. And if you had your S25 Ultra in the past, when you changed between different lenses, your footage would basically jump from one lens to another lens very abruptly. So to avoid happening this in your video recording, Samsung S25 Ultra has now a new feature where you can zoom in and zoom out smoothly using the rocker. So to do this, go ahead and open up the camera app. Next, you want to go ahead and make sure you're in video mode. Now tap on record. And now go ahead and find this magnifying glass on the right hand side. Tap on this. And now you can go ahead and zoom in and zoom out very smoothly. Now the next feature which I want to talk about is feature number 4, where you can use log mode. So log mode is a specific video format processed in the camera. So unlike RAW, which is totally unprocessed, log footage can be viewed on an external monitor without conversion. And because it's a video format, certain components such as white balance and exposure are part of the video. So to turn on log mode on your Samsung S25 Ultra, go ahead and open up the camera mode. Next, go ahead and tap on this 4 dots and then tap on settings. Now from here, you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see advanced video options. Now scroll down until you see log mode. So log mode is available in pro video mode only. So go ahead and turn this feature on. Go ahead and tap back, and now go ahead and turn on the pro video mode. From here at the top, you'll see log. Go ahead and turn this feature on. And now log mode has been turned on for your Samsung S25 Ultra. Now feature number 5 is where you can edit photos by looking at before and after. So there's a feature on your Samsung S25 Ultra where you can open up 2 images at the same time, top and bottom, and you can basically look at the before and the after feature and the after editing. So to do this, you want to go ahead and open up gallery. Next, you want to go ahead and tap on menu at the bottom right, then tap on settings. From here, scroll down until you see about gallery. Here you need to go ahead and find the version number and go ahead and tap multiple times until a pop-up comes up at the bottom here where Gallery Lab is enabled. Now once Gallery Lab is enabled, go back, tap on Gallery Labs, go ahead and turn this feature on, and then from this list find Open in another window. So open new viewer in other window from image or window viewer. So go ahead and turn this feature on. Now go back to your gallery. So let's say you want to edit this picture. So to open your photos in multi-window, go ahead and long press on one of the photo and then go ahead and drag it to the left hand side. until you get this option here. Drop here to open. Now at the bottom you have your original. However, at the top, go ahead and tap on edit. And now you can go ahead and edit your picture. And you can look at the before and the after of the photos that you're editing on your Samsung S25 Ultra. Now, the next feature which I want to talk about is where you can save videos in your external storage. So as you know, your Samsung S25 Ultra is equipped with the USB-C. So you can go ahead and grab a USB-C hard drive and plug it in here. So if you want to save videos in your external storage, go ahead and open up the camera app, then tap on the 4 dots, then tap on settings. Now you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see camera assistance. Tap on that. Now from here, you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see save videos to external storage. So this will automatically save videos to an external storage connected to the USB-C port on your phone. So it's compatible with video mode, pro video mode, portrait, video, slow motion, and hyperlapses. So go ahead and turn this feature on, then plug in your device, and then go ahead and start recording in video mode. Now, the 7th feature which I want to talk about is where you can save photos as PDFs. So by default, if you want to save your photos as PDF, so for example, these two, if you tap create, you won't see this option here to save as PDF. So to turn on the feature to save photos to PDF, go ahead and tap on menu, then tap on settings. Now you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see about gallery. Here you need to go ahead and tap multiple times on this version number until you see a pop-up where it says Gallery Lab has been enabled. Go back, then tap on Gallery Labs. From here, you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see Save as PDF. So make sure that feature is turned on. And now if you go back and you select a photo, tap Create, and then you'll see this option to save as PDF. Go ahead and tap on the default option, and then go ahead and view the PDF that it has created for you. Tap on the 3 dots, and then you can go ahead and save it as a file. Now, the next feature which I want to talk about is feature number 8, where you can change your video player on the film strip. So say, for example, if you have some of these videos here, and you're not used to this video player here at the bottom, where it's automatically playing videos for you. However, you want the view to be changed. So let me show you how to do this. So to do this, you want to go ahead and tap on menu, tap on settings. Now you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see about gallery. Go ahead and tap multiple times on the version number until you see a pop-up here saying Gallery Lab has been enabled. Go back, open Gallery Labs. From here, you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see the film strip viewer. So here, if you don't want to see the film strip, you can go ahead and turn this feature on, and this will only show you a file, which is a video. However, if you want to see the film strip, but you want to change the way how film strip is being shown, here you have different options where you can tap video player mode on film strip. You can choose none, or you can just have a legacy video seek bar, which is what it was before. Tap OK, press back. And now when you view a video, you'll see this line here where you can basically easily scrub through these time frame and go to the video that you want. So that is how to change your video player mode on your film strip. Now, feature number 9 is again related to the same video mode here. So if you don't like this and you want a dedicated video player for your videos that you play on your Samsung S25 Ultra, then you can turn on the video player on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So to do this, you want to go ahead and tap on menu. Next, you want to go ahead and tap on settings. Now go ahead and find this option, open in video player. Turn this feature on, go back. And now when you press a video, press play, this will open up a video player which is dedicated to your videos only. Now the last feature, which is feature number 10, here on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can create photo collages. So you don't need to download any special photo collage apps from the Google Play Store. You have a collage maker in your Samsung S25 Ultra. So to do this, you want to go ahead and open up the gallery app. Here you want to go ahead and select the photos that you want to use in your collages. So for example, this one here, I'll choose 3 different photos. Then I'll tap on create. Now from here, I'll go ahead and find collage. And now this will create me the collages with different layouts. I can go ahead and choose the free layout mode, or I can choose boxes, 3x1, and so on. I can go ahead and choose the background or a color. I can go and customize the corners of these photos. I can go and choose the ratio style, and I can also make wallpapers out of it. I can make it landscape, or I can make it a portrait mode. And once I'm happy, I can press save, and that will create me a collage, which will be in my gallery app. So there you go, guys. Those were the 10 hidden features of your Samsung S25 Ultra in terms of photo and video. If you found this video useful, then please like this video and please subscribe to this channel, as I'll try to post a new video every day for your Samsung S25 Ultra phone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.